Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the table view, modify its columns, and filter records. Let's open the table view and filter using a few columns. Some operators, such as between, require two operand values. You may apply a table filter to multiple objects at once. The filter is not cleared when you select a different object in the table view. You may use the layers and filters and visible map table modes, which account for the currently visible layers and filters, with the table filter to achieve even more powerful and complex filtering. To customize the table view columns, simply go here and select the columns that you would like to add. Using the group actions, you can add records to your route, edit records, or download the CSV file. Alright, well, that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.